Welcome, in this video we are going to learn Dnsrecon information gathering tool Linux. Dnsrecon is a tool for enumeration coded in Python. It enables to gather DNS-oriented information on a given target. Dnsrecon provides the ability to perform check all NS record for zone transfers, enumerate general DNS record for a given domain, perform common SRV record enumeration, top-level domain expansion, check for wildcard resolution, brute for subdomain, host A and for A records given in a domain and a word list. Perform a PTR record lookup for a given IP range or CIDR. Check a DNS server cache record for A and C name records, provided a list of host records in a text file to check. Enumerate common MDNS records in the local network enumerate host and subdomain using Google. Let's open up terminal and type dnsrecon -h. Here you can see that basic syntax dnsrecon.py, dnsrecon tool options, that is -h help to show help message, -d to domain target domain, -r range IP range for reverse lookup brute force in formats and so on. -xml for XML file to save records. Now we have to scan a domain, use a dictionary to brute force hostname. For that, type dnsrecon -d hackingdude.com, that is to scan this domain, and use a dictionary to brute force hostname. For that, let's specify the path of dictionary, that is -d user share word list dnsmap.txt space -t std space -xml dnsrecon.xml. Here you can see that performing general enumeration of domain, here 0 record is saved in dnsrecon.xml file. Let's try the same command on google.com. Standard record enumeration. As a result, we can get SOA record, name server, mail host, IP ranges that the company is using, and what server can send emails. Here you can see that 31 enumerating SRV records are found here and saved in dnsrecon.xml file. So that's it in this video on Dnsrecon information gathering tool. Thank you for watching this video.